Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Electronics Education for You. I am Dipti Parab and today I am going to teach you number system. So let's begin. Number system is the first topic that we are going to study in the series Digital Electronics. Let us start by seeing its definition. Number system is defined as set of values used to represent a quantity. So basically, it gives the magnitude of any quantity. For example, when we say 5 mangoes, here 5 gives me the quantity of number of mangoes. The next definition that we have to see is of base, or it is also called as radix. Base is defined as number of digits or basic symbols used in that system. Please make a note here that the word symbols is used instead of just numbers, because some number systems can have numbers as well as letters in it, and hence the word symbol is used here instead of just using the word numbers. Let us study more about base when we see individual number system. Next, let us see the types of number system. There are many types of number systems, but out of this, we'll be studying only 4 types which are most commonly used: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Out of this, the first number system that we are going to study is decimal number system. Till date, we have only used decimal number system. This is what we have studied from our childhood. The remaining 3, that is binary, octal and hexadecimal number system, are used by the computer system. Let us first start by studying decimal number system, or I'll say by revising decimal number system. As you already know, decimal number system has numbers from 0 to 9, which are total 10 in numbers, and hence the base of decimal number system is 10. Okay, or in reverse we can say that deci means 10, and therefore the base of decimal number system is 10, and the values in decimal number system are always from 0 to 1 less than the base, that is from 0 to 10 minus 1, which is equal to 0 to 9. Okay, therefore decimal number system has values starting from 0 to 9, which are total 10 in number, and hence the base of decimal number system is 10. Okay, so base is very useful for converting a number from one system to other. It is also useful to represent a number. For example, if I want to write a number 56, this number can be in any of the number system. So to show or to represent that 56 is written in decimal number system, we have to write 56 in bracket and then write 10, that is the base of decimal number system, in subscript or suffix. Okay, similarly if I want to represent 289, then 289 in bracket and subscript or suffix 10. This will tell me that the number written is written in decimal number system. Okay, next we have to see the weights associated with each number in a particular number system. For example, if I want to see the weight of number 428, starting from right hand side, I will write the weight of the rightmost number, that is 8, as 10 raised to 0. Okay, why 10? Because 10 is the base of decimal number system. 10 is raised to 0 is equal to how much? It is equal to 1. This is called as units place. This you already must have studied, correct? We are just revising this. Next is number 2. 2 will be written as, or weight of 2 will be 10 raised to 1, which is equal to 10, or it is also called as tens place. Correct. Similarly, next one will be 10 raised to 2, which is equal to 100, which is called as hundreds place. Similarly, if I add one more number, its weight will be 10 raised to 3 or 10 cube, which is equal to 1000 or thousands place. Next number will be 10 raised to 4, which is equal to 10,000 or 10,000 place, and so on. Okay. So this is all about decimal number system. Next, we have to study binary number system. A computer system don't understand decimal numbers. Okay. Computer understands only two values, two levels it understands. That is high level, okay, high input level or high output level, which is represented by 1, and low input level, which is represented by 0. Okay. So binary number system has only two symbols in it, 0 and 1. Okay. So what will be the base of binary number system? Correct. Base of binary number system is 2. Now, binary, how will we represent binary? For representation, again we will write the number. Now here the number will have only 1 and 0 in it. Okay. So write the number in bracket and subscript base of binary. What is base of binary? 2. So here, for example, we have number 101. So it is written in bracket 101 and base 2. It tells me that number 101 is in binary form. It is not a decimal number. 101 we can have in decimal as well, correct? But here, since we are writing it in binary, I have to write it in bracket and subscript 2. Okay. Similarly, for 1101 also, you will have to write it in bracket and subscript 2. Next, let us see the weights of binary. Okay. So I have written the number here 110. Starting again from the right hand side, you always have to start from right hand side. Okay. So starting from right hand side, the first digit here, actually in binary we don't say digit, okay, but we say bit. Every number here is written as bit or is said as bit. Okay. Instead of digit, we call it bit. So starting from the right hand bit, the weight of 0 is 2 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Okay. So the next bit, that is 1, will have the weight as 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. The next will have 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. Similarly, if I add one more 1 to the right, sorry, one more 1 to the left, then the weight of this one will be 2 raised to 3, which is equal to, what is 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Correct. If I have one more 1, then 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 16. So these are the weights of binary numbers. As I said earlier, each binary digit is called as bit. The rightmost bit is called as LSB or least significant bit, and the leftmost is called as MSB or most significant bit. Okay. As you already know, binary has only 2 bits. They are not enough to represent all characters, and hence computer requires longer strings of 1 and 0 to represent any symbol. For example, when you type A in your keyboard, okay, computer does not understand A. It understands only 0 and 1. So it will convert A to a binary string, let us say 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the binary form of A. Now, if I'm programming my computer, it will be very difficult for me to remember this string, but I can easily remember A. Correct? So for human beings, they can't remember long strings, but they can easily remember symbols. Whereas computers don't understand symbols, but they can easily remember these strings, or they can easily work with these strings, longer strings. Okay. Now because of all this, it became very difficult for the programmers to write even a simple program. And so an intermediate solution was found, that is octal number system. Okay. Now this octal number system helped the programmers to convert long strings to symbols easily. Okay. And so they could write programs quickly. Octal number systems are not much in use now, but they were previously used a lot. So let us start octal number system. So octal number system has values starting from 0 to 7. So total there are 8 values. So the base or radix of octal number system is 8, correct. It is represented as the number in the bracket and base in the subscript, same as the previous two which we had seen. So if I have a number 564, then I'll write 564 in bracket and subscript 8. So 8 will represent octal number system. Okay. So if I want to write down the weight of a number in octal, then again starting from right hand side we will write its base. What is the base of octal? 8. So base raised to 0, that is 8 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Next number will be 8 raised to 1, which is equal to 8. Next number will be 8 raised to 2, which is equal to 64, correct. If I have one more number, then 8 cube. Next number will be 8 raised to 4, in this way. Okay. So every digit in octal number system has a weight with its base, that is 8 raised to 0, raised to 1, raised to 2, and in this way. Okay. Similar to octal, we have the next number system, that is hexadecimal number system. Octal number systems were very famous till hexadecimal number systems were invented. After hexadecimal were invented, they were more used because they have more symbols in them as compared to octal. Here hex means 6 and deci means 10, correct. So the total number of symbols in hexadecimal number system is 16. This is the perfect example where you will find numbers as well as letters in it, and that's why the word symbol was used while defining base, because any number system can have symbols as well as numbers. So hexadecimal number system has numbers starting from 0 to 9, and then it has letters A, B, C, D, E and F, total making it 16. Okay, I'll repeat. In hexadecimal number, you have values starting from 0 to 9. So you'll have all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, but after 9 we will have A, then B, then C, then D, then E and last F. Okay, so total values in hexadecimal number system is 16. So the base of hexadecimal number system is 16, correct. So if I want to represent a hexadecimal number system, we'll have to write the number and subscript base, correct. Let us write down its weight. The weights of hexadecimal number system again use the same method. Starting from right, I'll write first weight of 6. So the weight of 6 will be 16 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Weight of 4 will be 16 raised to 1, which is equal to 16. And weight of A will be 16 square, which is equal to 256. Correct? If I add one more number to the left, then I'll have the weight as 16 cube. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the 4 number systems. Let us quickly revise all the 4 number systems. Okay, so first is we have decimal number system. Symbols are from 0 to 9, base is 10. Next is binary number system. Only 2 symbols, 0 and 1. So base is 2. Next is octal number system. numbers from 0 to 7, base is 8. Last one is hexadecimal number system, numbers from 0 to 9 and letters from A to F. So after 9 you will have A, which is decimal value is 10, B whose decimal value will be 11, C decimal value 12, D decimal value 13, E decimal value 14 and F decimal value 15. We'll repeat everything this hexadecimal number system when we'll see its conversion again, so don't worry. And base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, this is a small assignment for you. Just identify the number system and write down its answer in the comment. Okay, I'll post the answer in the comments. Thank you.